Remember, your heat pumps needs servicing also. You pop open the front, pull out the filters, and you can clean them in the kitchen sink. I'm using a warm water, lots of soap, and a paintbrush. There is grease in the air, and the detergent will help take the grease out of the filter. I want to show you, this is the dirty side. I already brushed off the big accumulation, and here's the clean side. This is important because there's a lot of sensors in heat pumps, and you want to have peak airflow through the coolant so that the computer logic is giving you the best temperatures. Have a good day.